So this is my new vacuum robot. Some of you guys asked me for a review on it, so here goes. I waited 24 hours for hair and other debris to collect on our hardwood floor. This has been an issue for quite a while. It's been bugging the crap out of me having to sweep every single day. This has literally been one day. There's just hair and litter everywhere. Some things to keep in mind: toys, make sure you pick them up. I noticed that it will either run them over and suck them up, or it will get stuck on top of them. So the robot has a couple specific cleaning functions. Here is the remote. It has spot clean, return to home base, and edging. And then there's auto clean. You can also set a daily clock timer for it to go off at a specific time every day. I just want to show you, here's the spot clean. This is a bunch of litter on the floor, so I put the robot on them, just right above it, and hit the remote, spot clean, and it will move around the place until you clean that spot for about a minute. The cleaner also has the edging function here. So I'm going to show you, there's a couple hairballs over here, and I'll just hit this button and show you. It's pretty accurate. It gets very close to the edge, and I haven't really needed to do anything else. One thing I noticed that is not the greatest function on it is the return to home button. The signal is not that great, so if it's far from home, it will not be able to figure out where it is going. Let's see if it will work right now. It's pretty close. There's the base over there, it's plugged in. That's where it recharges every night. Kind of takes its sweet time lining up perfectly so the battery is perfectly on the charger. And that's that. Okay, so I'm just going to hit auto clean here. This is just the obviously automatic version of it running around the room. Let's show you how it goes here for a second. So you can see it kind of bounces off things and turns. And there it is able to sense that there's something there and slow down. Now, as opposed to probably what it sounds like, it's not very loud. It is nowhere near the loudness of a regular vacuum cleaner. Okay, after 40 minutes, it automatically shut off. I'm going to show you how much it picked up. This just pops right out. And that's what we got. So our main floor is approximately 600 square feet. It does a pretty good job. I don't see a whole lot on the floor after 40 minutes, but I would probably run it twice just to make sure it got everything every day. One thing I would keep in mind is that it does not do well on rugs. It will just roll up onto the rug and turn around because it is too thick. And overall, I would say it's a good investment for the average Joe. The Roomba brand is about $900. This one was $180. So this is pretty helpful for me because I'm pretty busy all day long and floors drive me nuts. It's my first time having hardwood floors with cats, and I had no idea how messy it would get between the hair and litter and other things like food in the kitchen and stuff. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys.